Yo, before we start this video, if you want one-on-one coaching for your clothing brand, if you want me to work with you to help you take your brand to the next level, to turn up your brand, DM me on Instagram at SayLessEd. Let's connect. Happy to help you. Let's get to the video. Let's go. YouTube. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how much money I made from having over 500,000 followers on TikTok. What's up with y'all? My name is Eddie Scott, aka SayLessEd, co-founder of the Sayless Lifestyle clothing brand. I founded Sayless Lifestyle 2 years ago with my cousin back during the quarantine of 2020. Since then, we have grown our brand to become a six-figure business, over 500,000 followers on TikTok, and everything that I have learned in the process of building my own brand, I'm here to share with you to help you build your brand. So be sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. Be sure to subscribe for more clothing brand, finance, and entrepreneurship content. But hey, let's get right into the video. If you are not sleeping under a rock, you know that TikTok is the rage nowadays. TikTok is the place to be to get exposure for your brand, and the algorithm has changed a bit over the years, over the past couple months. But even still, like, TikTok is insane. Like, you could go start a page right now with 0 followers, nothing, and post a good video at night, go to sleep, wake up the next morning, you could have like 1,000 followers and 100K views. Like, TikTok is really great at getting you organic reach for whatever you may want to promote. But is it a good way to make money though? With all the views, all the notoriety that you could get on TikTok, how much money can you actually make from having hundreds of thousands of views and followers? So lucky for you, I've been through the process with TikTok. My clothing brand, Sayless Lifestyle, actually has over 500,000 followers on TikTok, and we have gotten paid from TikTok. And so what I'm going to show you guys in this video is how much money we made and whether you should focus on making money on TikTok. So with Sayless Lifestyle, we started our TikTok page back in 2020. It was a couple months after we started our brand, and you know, our brand was still new, it was still young, it was still fresh, and so we were still trying to figure out, you know, our flow, our style, our aesthetic, like a lot of things we're still trying to figure out in our brand. And so when we first started, you know, we were just posting whatever the trend was. Like, if we saw Charli D'Amelio do a dance, we would go do the same dance and just have on a Say Less shirt and hope that it would get views and that people go buy our shirt. Eventually we got to the point where we realized that if you want to go viral on TikTok, if you want to go viral on any social media platform, you have to stop trying to go viral. People engage with their content based on the level of value that you provide, and that value can either be found in entertainment, education, or inspiration. And so once we realized that we wanted our content to inspire people, to motivate people, in line with our brand message, motivating people to do more and say less, as soon as we made that switch in our focus with our TikTok page, we literally went from maybe 2,000 followers to the same day we made that decision, we made a motivational post on our TikTok page talking about doing more and saying less, taking action on your goals. That video got 100,000 views in one day, and our account went from 2K to 10K followers in one day. And then we went from like 10K to 100K in literally less than a week. And so, you know, over the months, we eventually grew the page to the point where it had over 500,000 followers, had multiple million view videos. I think we had one video that hit like over 3 million views. But with that amount of followers and that amount of views, how much money did we make? All right, so I'm gonna pull up for you guys our TikTok page. Boom. As you can see, 559,000 followers, yada, 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 yada. Hey, let's come right to it. Let's click these 3 lines. Let's click creator tools. And we got paid from TikTok through the creator fund. So I believe once you hit over 10,000 followers and you have like 10K views in the past 30 days and you're over the age of 18, you can become eligible for the creator fund. And so TikTok creator fund is, in essence, the competition to YouTube's monetization program. But does it pay as much as YouTube? I'm about to show you right now. Let's come in here to, let's scroll down to creator fund. Boom. I'm gonna click that. And as you guys can see, we made a whopping total of $817.87 by having 500,000 followers on TikTok. And if I scroll through these payouts right here, let me come down. We haven't been posting as recently on our TikTok page, but let's scroll back down to 2022, 2021, where we're really going hard. As you can see, like every day we may be making 14 bucks, 12 bucks. A couple days we made $46. And so TikTok pays you based on the amount of views that your entire channel gets on a certain day. So let's say your entire TikTok page got 1 million views in a day. If you have like 100 videos in total, they got 1 million views in that day, you will get paid for those 1 million views. And so I just want to show you guys, if I look up TikTok, or let's say this, how much, come on boy, can you type, how much does TikTok pay you, let's just say 4 videos? Boom. The TikTokers earn around 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. As you can see, the rest of it says this translates to earning between $20 to $40 once your videos gain 1 million views. So if you have a 1 million view video, you maybe get $40. Now let's come to YouTube and let's say, how much do you get paid for a YouTube video? And I already tell you guys, it's based on your CPM, like based on the niche that you're in. So it's not exactly the same setup as TikTok. Let's see how much you can pay for a YouTube video. Mind you, TikTok was 2 to 4 cents. Google, the average YouTube channel can receive around $18 per 1,000 ad views. Compare 2 cents to 18 bucks. And then if I say, how much do you get paid for a 1 million view YouTube video? Mind you, it said that you can make 40 bucks off of getting 1 million views on TikTok. Click go. Using Forbes estimated pay rate of $5. Mind you, the other one just said $18 per 1,000 views. It says $5 per 1,000 views. A YouTube video with 1 million views can make upward of $5,000. 5 bands compared to $40. So as you can see, TikTok is definitely on the lower end of monetization. Does not compare to YouTube at all. But in saying that, you know, if you have a channel like my boy Cabby Lane, or you know, you're a big TikToker and you're getting millions of views a day. Let's say like every one of your video gets 3 million views, and let's just say 3 times, you know, every million views gets you 40 bucks. Boom, 120, and you're posting 3 of those a day, times 3, boom, 360 bucks a day. You know, you keep doing that, you could definitely make some money there. But for the average TikTok page, you won't be making that much money from the TikTok Creator Fund. So in saying that, if you're watching this video and you want to create content on TikTok, you want to make money off of TikTok, I would say do not rely on a TikTok Creator Fund to make you money. But in saying that, you can use TikTok to monetize your brand in other ways besides just a creator fund. Specifically, if you have a personal brand, or if you're watching this video, you probably have a clothing brand or some other sort of e-commerce store, use TikTok to drive traffic to your online store, and then use your online store to make the money. So let's just use the example that you have a clothing brand, right? And you're selling a $50 hoodie, right? Let's say that hoodie has viral potential, it has a catchy saying, a catchy graphic on it. You go and post that video of your hoodie, promoting the hoodie, and it gets 1 million views. That 1 million views may make you 40 bucks off of the TikTok Creator Fund. But if in the caption of that video, you say, hoodies are available at the link in bio, go shop now, and you promote it in the video correctly, let's say out of the 1 million people that viewed the video, let's say 10,000 people went and visited your website, and out of 10,000 people, let's just be generous, let's say 5,000 of them copped. So just doing quick math for y'all, 5,000 people bought your $50 hoodie, you made $250K as opposed to the $40 that TikTok would have paid you. So in wrapping up this video, if you want to make money on TikTok, don't rely on TikTok directly to pay you. I think in the future, TikTok will definitely raise the rates of monetization if they want to compete with other social media platforms. But in the current moment, if you want to monetize your TikTok platform, if you already have an audience or you just want to start posting content on TikTok, use TikTok to drive traffic and build an audience that will go buy your products off of the platform. So with that being said, that's the end of the video. I just want to share with you my experience and how we grew our TikTok page and how much money we made off of TikTok. So in saying that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, for the YouTube algorithm. Be sure to subscribe for more clothing brand, finance, entrepreneurship content. Turn on post notifications so that you never miss another video from me. If you have a clothing brand, you want more gems, more tips, more guidance on how to grow your brand, how to scale your brand, how to promote on platforms such as TikTok. If you want one-on-one mentorship for your brand, be sure to leave me a DM on Instagram at SayLessEd. I have a limited amount of spots for mentorship, so be sure to hit me up. Hey, let's be great, keep working, do what you have to do until you could do what you want to do. Let's be great, let's go.